Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to WatchWire News, where we're always keeping an eye on the latest tech trends and innovative features that make your Apple Watch even more powerful. Today, we're talking about a game changer for iPhone users: splitting bills and tipping on your wrist. Imagine you're dining out with friends or meeting a client, and you need to split the bill down to the last cent. But what if you could do it all from your watch? That's exactly what Apple has made possible with their built-in Calculator app, which now includes two handy features for navigating tricky restaurant situations. First off, let's talk about how you can use these features together, or separately, depending on who's paying the bill. If you're dining out alone, just leave the people field set to 1, and the calculator will automatically adjust your tip accordingly. Now, here's where it gets really cool. By tapping on the tip button, Apple has replaced the standard percent button with something much more intuitive. Simply go to Settings, Calculator, and select Tip function instead of percent. This way, you can easily change the layout to suit your needs. So what happens when you use these features? Well, for starters, the total amount below the two fields changes to reflect your tip adjustments in real time. And the amount below that will change depending on how many people are paying. No more awkward math or arguments over who owes what. This is just another example of how Apple's Calculator app has evolved to become an indispensable tool for iPhone users, making everyday tasks like splitting bills a breeze. At WatchWire News, we're all about exploring the latest tech trends and innovations that make your life easier. That's why we're excited to share this feature with you today. In conclusion, if you haven't already checked out Apple's new calculator features on your watch, do it now. They're a total game changer for anyone who dines out or meets clients regularly. At WatchWire News, we'll be keeping an eye on all the latest tech news and trends, so stay tuned for more updates and reviews from us.